Hi all, welcome to Pebbles Crochet. Okay, in this video we are going to see about how to do a bottle handle. Bottle cover with handle. Okay, so I'm going to use this water bottle. Okay, I have already made the base for this. Okay, in order to make the flat circle, I have already uh, made video, so please please see the link in the description box. Okay, in order to make this uh, round if you are a beginner. Okay, but in video I have told you for the double crochet, but this is the single crochet stitches, but the procedure is same. Okay, so it has to be a flat type circle. Okay, here I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6 layers. Okay, and after this I'm going to do the cylindrical cover. Okay, so for that I'm going to use this color. Okay, so this is the inner side and this is the outer side, so I'm going to do it here. Okay, keep this inside and then continue doing it. Okay, so in order to start this, first of all you have to do, you should not see actually regularly we used to insert the hook into this whole chain, right? Okay, into this whole chain, whole part of the chain, complete chain. Okay, but now we are going to turn this like cylindrical way, so we are just going to insert it into the inner side. Okay, so that is here. So, we are going to face this inside, this is outside, so yeah, we are going to do it with this only the inner loop of this chain. Okay, fine. So just connect this thread. Okay, hold this firmly. We are going to do the double crochet stitch. There are 3 loops. Okay, and then this is the second. Insert it into the second and 2 double crochet, sorry, 1 double crochet stitch. Done. So you're going to repeat this for all the chains. And here next chain, so I have made a single crochet stitches on for the base, so the stitches are too tight and also the yarn is so thick. Okay, so that it's difficult to insert the hook. And then so you're going to repeat this same procedure. Okay, see, don't lose this, it's better you can put a knot else. So you have to repeat this procedure for this whole layer or this whole round. Okay, repeat the same till this whole round. Okay, so I have done completing this layer. This is the last. Done. So we shall connect it with this chain. Yeah, connected as well. Okay, so This is the base, and we are going to build a cylindrical cover over this. Okay, so first I'll just do three layers of the double crochet stitches over this again. Okay, I'm not going to increment any number of stitches. I'm just going to do only one double crochet stitches for each of the chain. You can just measure the base of your bottle to for a number of rounds you need for the base. So you're going to repeat this same thing for another 2 layers. So just repeat the same procedure. Okay, I have made 3 layers. Okay, you can, if you need, you can see. Okay, so from here I'm going to use another color and the spiral stitch. Okay, great. Hold this thread inside firmly. Okay, don't lose it. Okay. Now yarn over, double crochet, next chain, yarn over, double crochet. Okay, now what you need to do this is, it better to put a knot over inside. Okay, insert it into the next chain gap, take it out, okay, done. And then, so here 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and here what you're going to do is 2 times yarn over twice. Okay, yarn over twice and insert it below the start of this double crochet. Okay, here, and take this out. Once again. Okay, so 2 times yarn over. So here this is the first double crochet, right? This is straight stitch, and here we are going to insert it over here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is just a triple crochet stitch. Okay, done. This is the spiral thing, and then yarn over. So leave one chain. Okay, and then in another chain skip one chain. Okay, double crochet, yarn over, next chain, double crochet, twice yarn over, and here beneath here, take it out, this. So triple crochet stitch, done. Okay, yarn over, skip one chain, here double crochet, next chain double crochet, and then yarn over twice right beneath the start of this double crochet here at the below layer chain. First two, next two, and then last two. Okay, and then skip one. So you're going to continue this through this layer, whole layer. Twice, take it out, first two, next two, last two. Okay, so again I'm going to repeat this same. So just repeat this for this whole layer, the same. So you are going to leave one stitch and then one double crochet, another double crochet, and then you have to yarn over twice and do a triple crochet just in just below the first double crochet stitch. Okay, so I have completed this whole layer. Okay, now I have joined this, and now what we are going to do is do a same double crochet stitches at the very next chain. Okay, one double crochet. You are going to follow the same procedure. Okay, and then this is the next chain, and then double yarn over. So now we are going to insert it via this below triple crochet chain. Okay, so once you do the double crochet, okay, you are going to yarn over twice and insert it in the below triple crochet chain stitch, and then yarn over, take it out. Okay, and here what you are going to do is take it out, and next to the same triple crochet stitch, next to and last two. Okay, make sure it goes in a side way, that is like this motion. Okay, then only this spiral form it will be right and it will be look nice. Okay, now again yarn over, you are going to leave this chain. This is the first. See, one more thing is you guys can leave a chain after one cluster. Okay, what I mean cluster here is 2 double crochet and 1 triple crochet. Okay, this one cluster, this is one cluster, this is one another cluster. Okay, so between one and another, I asked you to leave one chain gap. Okay, but here I haven't done that because it itself gives, see, the space is somewhat okay, right? So if I leave another chain, so it will be very big space over there, so I did not leave it. So one to yarn over twice, pull it out, first two, second two, last two. Okay, done, and yarn over. I'm going to leave, see, if you see, this is the chain where I have done these double crochet stitches, last double crochet stitches. This is the chain. Okay, and now I'm going to leave this, and here next chain, take it out, double crochet, and then double crochet, double times yarn over, take it via this stitch, and then triple crochet. Okay, so you are going to repeat the same pattern all over the whole cylindrical way. So next time when you do a triple crochet stitches, you are going to insert it into this thing, okay, into this. Okay, we'll complete this whole layer. Okay, so now I have completed this whole cover. Okay, so what I have done is, so I have repeated the same procedure what we have started here till this end. Okay, the only thing is I have just changed the colors of the thread which I have used, and just connected the double crochet, basic double crochet stitches over here, and we can just cut down the unwanted thread that is hanging. Okay, and most importantly, so I have used in different color for the bases, so there is a lot of chance to get where it may get very dirt, so I have used an different color for the base and another color for the body. This is for the cylinder. Okay, and it can be a perfect thing for this bottle. We can expand this same cover for a, you can adjust it depend upon the size of the bottle. Okay, so this is the bottle cover. Okay, it looks pretty. You can carry it out without any damage to your bottles, and okay, no dust and everything. So you can follow this spiral pattern in any of the projects like pouch or something like that. Okay, no issues in it. So I'll do a zigzag video, zigzag pattern as well in my following videos. Okay, so as you can see, I'll just repeat it. I have done only the flat circle, flat round, okay, using one of the woolen thread. Okay, and then I have connected this using the single crochet stitch. Okay, and then made a double crochet stitches till 3 to 3 columns. Okay, 3 rows. Okay, and then I have started the spiral stitches. Okay, throughout the bottle. You can follow the same process which I have told you before. Okay, and once you do that, okay, there is no need to do any difficult thing for changing the colors. Okay, you can just put a knot over there and connect it via another thread. Okay, as we do usually, and that's it. Okay, this is for hanging. That's it, guys. So hope you enjoy this and you have learned how to do this bottle cover using crochet. So we'll come up with the different projects and different updates in my channel. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye. And of course, please do not get confused. Okay, I have just changed the place due to due to an environmental disturbance where I couldn't make the video. Okay, bye.